checking around the inside of the cab after the super heavy rain we had. Didn't find any leaks. None. It surprised me. So I was looking up in here where it's dark. And I can't see much up in there. And then I kind of looked down here and I said, uh-oh, what's that? Ah, that's where the fiberglass meets the roof of the van. Guess what? All the caulking is cracked out. Well, we got what's called up north a gully washer today, this afternoon. Probably 2 or 3 inches of rain in half an hour. The most rain we've had here in southeast Texas in months. So I came out, checked the van, the bus, didn't find any leaks inside, which was good. But when I came out, I saw something kind of funny. So I kind of looked up here, and look at this. It's cracked all the way around, the old caulking. So it didn't leak in because I wasn't driving. Had I been driving, the rain would have been forced in and blown up underneath and gotten into the cab. So, for the last half hour, I'm cleaning it all out here. It's a little bit wet back here, so I've got to let that dry. It's got a little bit of surface for us that just started. Up here is dry, so I'm going to do this half today probably. And I've got a little bit of surface for us starting right there I got to take care of. You know, it's all part of van life. Got to fix it when you see it. Had I been driving down the road at 60 miles an hour in that driving rain, it would have been a mini shower inside. So I'm glad I caught it now, before I was out on the road. So Monday, I may still be here, because I've still got to get an alignment. Couldn't get one yesterday or today. So I'm going to try and get one Monday, and then maybe Tuesday I'll be heading on the road. This is going to take several hours, so I'll be here. Okay, let's try this, see if we can see it. I'm up in the cubby hole here, and looking to see. I don't see any lights coming through, so that means it looks like it's pretty good to me. Looking down here, can't see any light. I think somebody put that caulking in the wrong spot. It's a long way away from that. Oh well, maybe that was the old one. Okay, well it's fixed anyway. One side. I get to do the other side all over again tomorrow.